Willy Wonka's 2024 Pure Silver-Shaped Coin, A Journey of Imagination. In 2024, the world witnessed the launch of a truly enchanting piece of numismatic art, the 2024 Samoa 1-ounce Willy Wonka-shaped silver coin. A tribute to the timeless masterpiece, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, this coin brings the magic of Willy Wonka's world to life. Join us on an extraordinary journey as we explore this captivating coin and the golden surprises it holds. This remarkable coin, expertly minted in .999 pure silver, captures the whimsy and wonder of Willy Wonka's world. Its innovative design, shaped to resemble the eccentric chocolatier himself, is a visual delight for collectors and fans alike. Every curve, every line, and every color is a tribute to the iconic Gene Wilder as Willy Wonka. But the magic doesn't stop with the coin. Each Willy Wonka silver coin comes with a reimagined golden ticket, reminiscent of the one that granted access to the Factory of Dreams. For 50 fortunate collectors, that golden envelope doesn't just contain a paper replica. Instead, they'll discover a 5G 999.0 pure golden ticket, echoing Willy Wonka's famous words, "The suspense is terrible. I hope it'll last." The creation of this stunning piece of art is a testament to craftsmanship and precision. From shaping the coin to adding the vibrant colors, it's a labor of love that pays homage to one of the greatest stories ever told. This is no ordinary coin. It's an official Willy Wonka product, authenticated by Warner Brothers. The stamp of approval ensures its authenticity and adds an extra layer of enchantment to every collector's treasure. Backed by the Samoa government, the coin carries a face value of $5. This connection to the Samoan archipelago adds a unique touch, bridging the gap between a world of pure imagination and the real world. Whether you're a die-hard Wonka fan or a discerning numismatist, this coin, with its blend of history, art, and surprise, promises to be a cherished addition to any collection. It's more than a coin, it's a piece of Willy Wonka's magic. Relive the magic of Willy Wonka's world, and secure yours today, as we await the next chapter in the coin's enchanting journey. In 2024, a world of pure imagination was encapsulated in a 1-ounce Willy Wonka-shaped silver coin. With a maximum mintage of 3,500, this rare masterpiece promises to be a cherished relic, evoking the magic of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Secure yours today and join the ranks of collectors who hold a piece of whimsical history in their hands. Buy your coin now from thecoinshop.ca. Elevate your collection with Zenica, where quality meets craftsmanship, your coin capsule holder of choice. Visit us at zenica.ca.